We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva, and I am back to tell you guys about a hell of a deal. And it's from QVC, one of my most favorite places. You guys, I've been going on QVC like it is my job, okay? I've been checking every day, several times a day, because I really want the TATCHA essence. I really wanted it, and I didn't want to just pay $95 for the essence by itself. I wanted, you know, QVC to bless me with a deal, and that is what happened. And you guys, whew, when I tell you about this deal, you're gonna want to run and go get you one too. That's why I couldn't wait to get on here. I could not wait to get off work so that I could come and tell you guys about this. The reason why I'm dressed the way that I am is because I'm on my way to the gym, so I just gotta wash my face and I can go. So as soon as we're done with this, that's what I'm going to be doing. You guys, this deal is the TATCHA Ageless Renewal Face and Neck 4-piece kit, and I got mine on auto delivery. Auto delivery will be sending it to me every 3 months for that price. I haven't told you the price yet, but this is a 4-piece kit, and it is $145.92. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm about to tell you why that is such a fabulous deal. I have everything written down because I really wanted to give you guys some really good information and be able to give it all to you without like stopping and stuff like that. But with this deal, with this deal being $145.92, each item, because there's 4, will cost you approximately $36.48 each. That's going to be very important when we get to the next portion. Okay, you might say $145 right out the box like that. No. Okay, you can also do 6 easy payments of $24.32. You guys, I'm telling you, this is amazing, and you can put it on auto delivery. That's how I did mine. I did mine easy pay and auto delivery because I still want it every 3 months. In this deal, you're going to get the essence, and it's 5.1 ounces, and it's full size. Okay, you're paying $36.48. On TATCHA's website, it is $95. Okay, then you have the Ageless Revitalizing Neck Cream. I don't really need a neck cream, although I am really interested in getting the neck cream. I do want it for my scar, you guys. I'm a disabled veteran. So that means I got my surgery done at the VA. And my surgery site incision got infected, so they had to go back in, and that's why I have like a bump on mine, and this part right here is not really as healed as the rest of it. It's still like a little scar, but hopefully that can, you know, help with that. I doubt it. But my something that is helping is my Retinol Fusion PM by Peter Thomas Roth, and you can get that on QVC as well. I'm just saying. But anyways, the Ageless Revitalizing Neck Cream is 1.7 ounces, and it is full size as well. You paid $36.48 for it. If you go to TATCHA's website, it's $110. Okay, just with those two products alone, you have saved by getting this deal. But we're gonna go on to the next one. Okay, so the Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream, and that's just overall facial moisturizer. And I really don't need another facial moisturizer because I just got Elemis, their marine cream moisturizer, but hey, I had to get it because of the deal. Okay, so that full size with the TSV, you paid $36.48 on TATCHA's website. You would pay $185. Yes, $185. I can't. I did not know that moisturizer could be that expensive. Oh my goodness. So I cannot wait to try that moisturizer just to see what it does, what $185 will do to my face, okay? The fourth item is the Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream, and it is 0.38 ounces. That might be an issue, but let's go ahead to what you're paying for with the TSV, which is $36.48. Okay, the reason why I said it might be an issue is because when I went to TATCHA's website, they only had two sizes. They had a trial size and a full size. Their trial size was 0.1 ounce and it was $29. And then they had the 0.5 ounce and it was $135. Okay, so I don't know if QVC got the sizing information wrong or whatnot. So I could not give you a clear what your discount will be for that, but let's just say the other three items covered that for you. So with that being said, I was going to do a haul of what I bought previously, but I really want to get this out to you guys so that you can run over there and get this deal, because as of right now it is still available. So I gotta run out of here, run to the gym, run back, wash my body, and then put this video up. So until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.